Hi, I'm Kunal Ravinwar. And in Bank Nifty, what we had said is we want a fall, a 3 minute pivot, and then a breakdown. ये तो हुआ ही नहीं. There was just a fall like this, a 3 minute pivot, and then that low hasn't been taken out. Right? So today was a really bearish day. Maybe because of what's the news that has come out yesterday about the tariffs and 25th हो गया है. Maybe because of that it was a bit bearish. But was there a setup to trade today? It was a bearish day. If there was a setup, we're going to have a look at it exactly कि आज क्या हुआ है and what we can expect for tomorrow. Tomorrow नहीं, on Thursday, because Wednesday is a holiday because of Ganesh Chaturthi. So before I start, please share, like and subscribe to the channel. So now, welcome to the Game Changers. हम लोग ने निफ्टी में बात की थी that we wanted this kind of setup, which hasn't happened, right? And in Bank Nifty, what we had said is we want a fall, a 3 minute pivot, and then a breakdown. ये तो हुआ ही नहीं. There was just a fall like this, a 3 minute pivot, and then that low hasn't been taken out, right? Now, market is down nearly 1.24%. बट उसमें हम लोग को सेटअप कुछ मिला ही नहीं है. डज दैट मीन वी हैव टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंटली जस्ट बिकॉज सेटअप नहीं मिला है? एंड एक ऐसे पहले इन द फर्स्ट 30 minutes द मार्केट फेल सो मच. आई थिंक वी शुड नॉट चेंज द सिस्टम बिकॉज these type of situations ना make you doubt yourselves, make you doubt your system. But because of news ऐसा गिरा रहेगा, right? There is no setup, move on. We will focus on the next day. No money lost, no money made, just focusing on the next day and capital intact. ठीक है? I try to be as honest and as truthful as I can because यहाँ पे setup नहीं है. You know, if I just had to say, मैं बोल सकता था कि नहीं यहाँ पे शॉर्ट करना चाहिए, उसके बाद गिर जाएगा ये वो. मैं ऐसे नहीं करता हूँ. I prefer to be very honest and very transparent. Now, what to expect for tomorrow? We are going to remove these drawings. What we are going to do is, on a 3 minute chart, I'm going to remove this alert of some kind that I've put. Right? Yeah. So imagine आज का डे का लो है यहाँ पे somewhere. Okay. So what we would want is we want tomorrow or on Thursday a convincing break, a 3 minute pivot below the lows and then another breakdown. ये valid setup है for going short. On Nifty we have been looking to go long, but now I think the hourly Dow theory is also pointing downward. But just in case, we are just going to keep a long scenario just in case it gaps up. I'll tell you the reason. Reason being, daily पे आप देख रहे हो निफ्टी, it has not come close to this low, while Bank Nifty has even broken that low. This is what I call a typical divergence on a daily time frame. Because of that, we are just going to keep a view कि just by chance if Nifty gaps up, right, a gap up, if it gaps up somewhere, moves ahead, a 3 minute pivot is made and a breakout, then we would be okay with going long but half risk. This is in case it gaps up. If it doesn't, we'll focus on shorting Bank Nifty. Okay. So I just want to tell you something. Days like today tend to shake up your belief कि नहीं यार ऐसे थोड़ी, मतलब फोमो होता है ना कभी कभार कि यार आज तो मार्केट 1% गिर गया है, कुछ भी नहीं मिला है एज पर द सेटअप. तो फोकस शुड बी ऑन फॉलोइंग रूल्स एंड बीइंग डिसिप्लिन्ड विथ योर अप्रोच. दैट इज व्हाट इज गोइंग टू मेक मनी in the long term. अगर आप ऐसे ट्रेड करना जाओगे कि आप फॉलो करोगे मार्केट को, कि मार्केट नीचे जा रहा है तो मैं नीचे जाता हूँ, मार्केट ऊपर जा रहा है तो मैं ऊपर जाता हूँ, तब जब साइडवेज मूव आएगा ना, आप इतना बेकार फंसोगे that you will give all the profits and even start making losses. So it's important to follow your rules and stay disciplined. Chalo, bye. See you on Thursday.